to the view, actually, itong freeze panes, ito yung isa sa mga questions sa atin kung paano ina-apply yung freeze panes. Okay, so sa freeze panes, you need to consider lang, isa lang po. You need to first to identify kung ano yung mga gusto mong i-display. So let's say for example this exercise, gusto mong makita yung from row 1 to row 3. Okay? So pag na-identify mo na yan, all you have to do is just to go to the next row. That's it. Click that one and then click freeze panes. So mangyayari dyan, pinifreeze niya na yung first 3 columns. Okay? So to unfreeze that, again, go to View Ribbon tab and then Freeze Panes and Freeze. Okay? So what if kung gusto mo is, gusto mo mag-scroll pa kanan and at the same time, mariretain tong, let's say, pag nag-scroll ka pa kanan, yan, ma-stick tong employee number tsaka employee name. So paano natin gagawin siya? Again, you need to identify kung anong gusto mong i-freeze. Itong A and B, ano yung next niya? Itong C. And then, anong rows ang gusto nating i-display? From row 1 to row 3, ito siya. So, ito i-click natin. Okay? Let's try to apply that one. Freeze panes, freeze panes. Again, if we go to the right, naka-freeze na po siya. If we go down, naka-freeze na din po yung first 3 rows natin. So,